Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaican actress and broadcaster Rosie Murray is in need of heart surgery. The actress suffered a major heart attack on December 29 last year. The family, who recently shared the news, has indicated that Murray is in need of an angioplasty, a procedure that is needed to restore her heart to regular functionality. An account has been established with GoFundMe to raise US $20,000, the equivalent of 1.4 million Jamaican dollars, to finance the procedure. Rosie Murray, an active participant on the theatre scene, is known for previous appearances in Saving Grace and for her Actor Boy nominated performance in Take Your Hand Off Me. Support the cause. Get well soon, Rosie. David Rodigan has built a successful career in the broadcast of reggae and dancehall music. The British native, who has a highly decorated career, celebrates 40 years in the industry and continues to share our rich cultural legacy to loyal reggae fans worldwide.
I first discovered the music of Jamaica as a 14-year-old schoolboy watching a TV show called Ready, Steady, Go with the Rolling Stones and the Beatles, and this young girl called Millie came on and sung My Boy Lollipop. My boy. I was completely smitten by the music, the energy of the backbeat, and we discovered this was the music of Jamaica.
Passionate about the industry's growth, Rodigan expresses faith in the direction of the music.
The future of Jamaican music is exciting and always will be. And there will always be exciting new movements of music coming through. And we've seen it in Chronix. I think Chronix is a perfect example of someone who has something to say in a different way with a unique voice. And of course Romain Virgo. I mean, the Popcorn for the dancehall fraternity. The impact of Jamaican music across the past 5 decades has been phenomenal.
The Englishman has participated in some of the most memorable Clash experiences of all time. The multifaceted disc jock is back in Jamaica with the BBC One Extra team. He gives an update on his latest projects.
Well, I'm here to do a number of things. I'm primarily here with the BBC Radio 1 Extra. We come down here every year. We record band sessions for future broadcasts, which we film and we put on our BBC YouTube channel. This week we were recording Persons of Interest, a new band that I think is very exciting. We recorded a new artist who I again rate. Her name is Savannah. We've done sessions in the past, of course, with Romain Virgo, with Damien and Sham, and the list is long of the people that we've worked with. And I'm also here to do a show called Dubwise on Saturday, which is a reflection of dub music with King Jammies, the great King Jammies. And also, of course, I've taken part in raising funds for the Alpha Institute, because that's a great institution. Of course, without Alpha we wouldn't have had the great musicians that we've had, from Don Drummond and Jerry and Tommy McCook.
Gospel artist Kevin Downswell is singing high praises with the release of his latest single, the live version of the rendition of his song, I Feel Like Running. It is a prelude to his upcoming album realignment, The Live Encounter, which will be Downswell's very first live album. The project will be available for pre-order in mid-March with a release date in Easter. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.